गंदा लगा क्योंकि वो भी तो हमारी तरह एक इंसान ही था। अगर वो मोहम्मद है तो क्या हुआ, जरूर उसने थोड़ा ना गायों को मारा था।
This is not acceptable. This is not the India that we want to live in, because we don't see these as isolated incidents.
I'm here not just because to assert that it is not in my name. I'm also to assert that we are all against this kind of a violence that is happening across the country. We are standing against such elements in this country. We are here to defend the constitution that gives equal rights to all in the country.
Citizens are not feeling safe.
Protest called Not in My Name has been organized, where hundreds of people have gathered in response to the spate of violence that has been ongoing in our country. The latest trigger, of course, being the death, the cruel stabbing of a 16-year-old Muslim boy from Haryana on a train from Delhi going back to Haryana 2 days before Eid. He was called anti-national, his skull cap was thrown down.
अत्याचार हो रहा है, ईसाई बने तो ईसाइयों के साथ हो रहा है, कभी नक्सलवाद के नाम पर। देश के दलितों ने क्या बिगाड़ा है? 1156 जातियां हैं चमारों की, कहाँ तक काटोगे? इन्हें काट नहीं सकते आप। क्या देश से खत्म कर दोगे? नहीं कर सकते। बहुत गुलाम बन चुके ये लोग, अब ये लोग खड़े हो गए हैं।
Friend is a journalist and she told me about the issue, and we were having coffee, so we decided to leave all of that and come here to support, because I believe like this is not India, this is not me, this is not my name. Like, we felt very strongly, so we left our work day in the middle and we came for this protest.
While this violence may occur in different states, it could be Haryana today, Rajasthan, some other place tomorrow, and there could be individual mobs who are doing this. They may not have any formal organizational network amongst themselves. However, what is clear is that this is a certain kind of politics that the present dispensation, the present regime has both fueled and is condoned. Therefore, this is a very, very symbolic protest to say that yes, this is happening, but it is not happening in sporadic form. This is happening through a formal, organized network of hate. And that network of hate cannot be allowed in a democracy.
I really resonate with this idea, because I don't think that, as she said, this is not India. We go all over the world and we address ourselves as Indians, and the whole world respects us for, you know, what we are, such a multicultural country.
अब ये लोग खड़े हो गए हैं, नहीं हुए तो हो जाएंगे, ये मुकाबला करेंगे। अपराध अस्तित्व नहीं मिटेगा इसका। बस मैं इसीलिए आया हूँ, चाहे वो मुसलमान बन के जिए, चाहे वो ईसाई बन के जिए या सिख बन के जिए।
So we've had a lot of people gather here today, and they've all been fighting for that one single cause, where instead of celebrating and highlighting our differences, we seem to be nitpicking. There are people who are here who have said enough is enough. Junaid Khan's death might have been what pulled the trigger, but it definitely was not what loaded the gun.